Is there a way that I can make some easy money while I'm just getting started gunsmithing? Yes, a wonderful way for you to provide a real service to the community, to your customers, and to help you get your hands on a lot more guns to work on and to make some money is to offer professional gun cleaning services. There's a lot of firearms out there, literally several 100 million firearms, and many of them need cleaning and general maintenance, and you can easily provide that particular service. As an AGI gunsmithing student, you're going to have access to literally several hundred disassembly and reassembly video courses, and you have support. If you ever get yourself in a little bit of a bind, we can help you out. But you're going to get all the experience of disassembling and reassembling a lot of firearms. But there's a shortcut, one that'll help you be more professional than anybody else. And I reveal it all at www.proguncleaningsystem.com. You'll want to go check that out, www.proguncleaningsystem.com. It's a step-by-step process to allow you to more professionally clean firearms faster and with a higher level of customer satisfaction, and it'll help you make a lot more money as well.